Yeah, hello and welcome guys. Hope you are doing great. So in this video today we'll see how you can bulk import questions here in Moodle. Okay, so you generate a questions here on using this ChatGPT AI or other AI tool and export everything here and import in one go. Okay. So currently you see I am in the middle of creating courses here. So I am creating a test use okay for a nursery class, and here I have to add some questions, around 50 questions, and that will have mostly the MCQ and some true and false. So I'll be using the tool how quickly I'll be able to achieve that. Okay, so first thing I will create here a quiz name, say exam, and description will remain the same, and the timing I don't want to disclose here. Yeah, unlimited. So layout, every questions, and free size means the user will be able to navigate between the questions. All right. So I'm not going to touch these settings. So I will just simply click save and display. So here I have options. I can add a questions one by one using this. Okay, so I can go for adding MCQ. I can go for adding essay and any other required questions type. Now there is option from question bank. Okay, so this is something I am going to use. So I will come here on the chat GPT. So give me uh, 30 MCQ, 30 questions. Let's say 25 questions, uh, two true and false, and remaining MCQs. So yeah, so I am already into the conversation. That is why I am not written here. I want around the alphabet. So here the 25 alphabet based questions for nursery class. So it is giving me a gift format. So ideally it will not be giving you because I have written some previous one, that is why. So ideally you will find here the MCQ questions like this. Let's say this. Okay, so first question, second, like this will have here the options, then we'll have the correct. Now I have asked this chat GP to give me in a gift format. Okay, so in Moodle there are lots of format you can use that format to importing questions in a bulk. Okay, so now you see it has given me the gift format, and I have ex- to create a gift file. Got it? So I will simply open a notepad, this, and I think some heavy files is coming up. So I will close this one. Oops. Windows are non-sensitive this, so it took a lot of time. Okay, so here you can create questions and you can save like this. So I can save this file as in download mcqs.gif. Okay, so this is the file extensions of the gift format. Okay, so I will save this one. Now if I come in download directory, I can see I have here the gift file. Got it? So this file I will be trying to import here. Okay, so what is that? So that concept is question bank. So here under question bank, I see on top question bank, and I can see options here of import. So even there is options for export, I can export that one, and there are lots of options here. I can format, blackboard format, embedded answers, close, missing word formats, so Moodle XML format. There are lots of things, but currently I'm moving ahead with gift one. So gift I have checked here, and now I'm going to choose the file I just said. Okay, so these are the content I have, and upload, import. So 25 questions I have written down here in a command prompt you see, and while importing I can see parsing questions from the import file, importing 25 questions from file. So you see all the questions are coming up. So whatever was mentioned here, it will be coming there. But it the last question was the word elephant start with E. So the word L start with elephant start with E is the last. Okay, so now I'm going to click on the continue, and I can see all the questions coming up here. Got it? And what if you import one more time? Let's see the same file if you import, where it goes, git format this, and under general you have here to pick here which category it will be going. So in case you want to add all in 25 the same category, you can go for that. But I don't want to add there. I have to add here in a separate category. But let's say in the previous one, and if I click on import, I can see another 25 going to. Now the list will be of here 50. Alright, so it means you'll have ability here to import the duplicate questions. Okay, but that is not really suggested. So why importing same questions again and again? Okay, suppose you do this by mistake, then you can always option here you have, you can delete those. You can select all, you can delete or move. So I will be deleting everything for now. Now I have cleaned up. So again I am going to import using this, then the gift format, and pick a file, then this, open, update file, import, and continue. Okay. Now how these questions will come to here. So I will have to click here on add questions. Then I can add questions from the question bank. Okay, so I will click on this, and I can see the list here. Okay, apply filter, and I can see all those questions. Correct? If I select all, so this second page will not be selected. Yeah. So you can see a button here, show all. So if I go here, and I can see all in one page. Correct? So I can choose like this and add selected questions to the skills. I'll have to click here. Now you can see all the 25 questions have been added. Correct? If you go back to quiz, you can preview and enjoy whatever you have added. Okay, what comes after A? So it is option A, correct? Next, which letter is used in word cat? C word. What comes after A E? It comes. Okay, so you can skip this question and directly jump to whenever you want because and these are the settings in model. Either you can skip or you can go sequential. Which of these are vowel? A is vowel. Okay, so now let's say 25 questions. The word elephant start with it. Yeah, true. Finish attempt and submit this. Alright, so we'll have here the grades. So these are all we have to see how the question you are creating from the chat GPT and how you are using the Moodle compatible format to import all those questions. Then all those questions can be imported from a question bank to any questions. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how quickly you'll be able to import the number of questions generated from the an AI tool in Moodle. Thank you. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.